Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. It's going down good at TikTok. It's going down good TikTok. People are trending for not maintaining their kids, and one of those people is Dr. Kehlelezi. The famous Dr. Kehlelezi is also trending, Kesana, on this trend. Utwa he is not maintaining the child. It's been 5 years now, guys, a whole 5 years. This person is driving expensive cars, wearing expensive clothes. He is the biggest healer, Sana. People are going to him to get his twalo, and he is not maintaining umntwana. And apparently, the child is sick. The child has been sick for 5 years now. He has not been supporting the child. The child is going to special doctors because health yakhe is not okay. The child even had surgery, but Dr. Kehlelezi was just not there. He was just not budging. Sana, when they tried to contact him, ukuthi hayibo, umntwana uyagula kanti ukuphi? Please just be available for the child. Okay, wathi cho. This is the child, so I didn't want to put a full picture, Sana, because YouTube sometimes. But this is the child. As you can see, she's in hospital. She is so cute, guys, like a very cute baby girl. And she looks exactly like Kehlelezi, Dr. Kehlelezi, This is not a jacket. This is her. This is him. So people are now accusing Dr. Kehlelezi of twalaring with the child. As you can see the comment there, kuthiwa watwala ngayo. Because the child does not speak, the child does not walk, the child can't do anything. She is still wearing a pampers at the age of 5. So Sham, kuningi sana, kuningi. The mother said she is going to do a story time, but nje people are saying ukuthi no man, ugirl ufana naye uyise. Don't worry about him sis, naye omakhi bakhe siyamsaba udoctor ngoba ngathi uthwele. Kuthiwa ke they are afraid of even saying anything. This guy nje, most ukuthi traditional healers sometimes they have that thing vele yokuthi basabwe because they look powerful, and he is said to be one of the powerful people. So the person that posted, her name is Thando Mseleku. So guys, people are saying that no, he is carrying, and you can see the child sham with pipes and everything connected with. The child is not well. So people are saying that he is twalaring with the child because the child is 5 years but can't speak. The child is still wearing pampers at 5 years. The child is just not okay, Sana, for a 5-year-old. She even had a heart surgery, kuningi. Get black people, Sana, the first thing that they think about is ukutwala. Sometimes it could be maybe it's a health issue. It has nothing to do with ukutwala, but people will always suspect that, especially now that she is 5 years old but can't do like anything because umama wayo she said ukuthi the child can't even speak. And some people were even blaming the mother of the child ukuthi, girl, how could you do that? Like, how could you even have a child with someone owaziwayo ngokuthi uthwalisa abantu? Did you even try to think about the outcome? Because now this is the outcome. This is the outcome of having a child with inyanga, a very biggest inyanga that is giving people easy twalo, and then you decide to have a child with him. What if this person is carrying with your child? But guys, we don't know. We really don't know. It's just that people are alleging. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I will see you on my next one.